What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today, whatever spell, which is up 0.2% at 0006. We have a $90 million market cap with 146 billion coins in circulation on a 210 billion. All-time high was 2 years ago at 3.5 cents. All-time low was 3 years ago at 002. So we're pretty much up 2x since the all-time low. Coin's pretty much available everywhere. I mean, if you want, you can find it. Tons of exchanges. A lot of people are commenting like, "Is Spell dead? Is Spell dead?" I don't think Spell is dead. I think Spell's perform exceptionally well during the bull run. I'm going to show you guys in the charts. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Spell. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Spell here at the day chart. Now, obviously, we had our all-time high in MEXC back here in 2021 before we saw a large term capitulation of the bear market. We're not really too worried about this. I'm more concerned about the bottom that came in September 2023 to where we're currently at. Where we're currently at is at the main price support line right here at about 5.9, right? We're at 6 right now, but I'd say 5.9 micro pennies. My personal opinion, the bottom is in on Spell. M's are definitely bearish in crypto, and I would say you completed your M pattern right there, your double top pattern on Spell. On top of that, the indicators are looking pretty dang sound and solid. Your WTX is starting to tail to the upside. Your RSI actually looks like it broke out of its downtrend here, starting to tail back up, putting in a higher high comparative to the July 6th top. And on top of that, the MACD was massively bearish, huge for pretty much the entire month of June all the way to July. And we're finally seeing some bullish crossover here after that very, very deep bearish movement on Spell. So what are we currently focusing on for Spell right here? Now, there's a couple different areas. Long term, obviously, we had this long term downtrend to contend with right here. Not too worried about that right now. I'm more looking for this support to hold right here at the 236. From our high to our low right here, you can see this. We wicked right down to that 236 area, currently working our way up to that 382 at approximately 6.5 micro pennies. So that is our next resistance area for Spell, 6.5. Now that was a big support, June. You can see from June 18th all the way to July 4th, that was holding us up pretty dang solid. We even wicked down to it as support right here as well, and had a lot of price volatility going back to the beginning of 2024. So that is a very important area for Spell to overtake. On top of that, indicators are looking strong and solid. So I think the next move up for Spell will probably be up around the 6.5 micro penny area. If we do happen to get above that 6.5 micro penny area, I think this would be the play right here. We'll probably bleed out until, end of July, beginning of August, up to that 618 area right here at around 9.7 micro pennies. That will be the area that we really, really need to focus on for Spell, because once you break out of that, that's your long-term downtrend that you currently that's your long-term downtrend that you need to break. I mean, even if you draw it like this, look, it goes all the way back to 2021, that downtrend convergence area right there, multi-year downtrend convergence area. So if we did happen to break above that, that would be your moon line. That's when Spell would start going parabolic. So if you are a Spell holder, keep an eye on that 618, guys, at 0098. If we did break over that, which I do think we will do this bull run, that's when you'll start seeing some very, very explosive movement to the upside for Spell during the bull run. So Spell holders, it's not all do or die. I do think Spell will have its day. Now, it is a rather old coin now compared to the new ones that came out, which normally means they run towards the end of the bull run. So we'll see what happens. But regardless, indicators are looking strong and solid. Short term, we have to get above the 382 right here at 6.5, which I do think we are going to do. And then we're going to be rallying up to that 618. So my main concern is just breaking out of this lifelong 618 multi-year downtrend convergence area. So keep an eye on that 0098. That is the main area to focus on for Spell that I do think we are going to be working our way to. So from where we're at up to that 618, that's approximately a 56% gain. So gear up for that, guys. I'm going to be bullish on Spell. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.